Doesn't matter if you're a student, if you're a working professional, or someone who wants to earn money just by doing some side hustle, or even if you want to start your business as well in this field, then these are the top 5 side hustles that you can start in 2024. And let me tell you one thing, the third side hustle, you don't even need a lot of things. Even if you are doing nothing, you can earn just by doing that third side hustle. So just watch this video till the end, and you can watch this video at a speed of 1.5x so that you can watch this video very quickly without missing out any information that is out there. Into the 2024, even from the 2022 or 23 when COVID happens, after that a lot of students, a lot of people same like you started doing some side hustles things, some online maybe. There are a lot of things basically where even if you are a working professional, then a lot of you are doing some freelancing work, and there are a lot of things that they are doing side by side so that they can earn a lot of money. And there are a lot of people, as I told you in my previous videos as well, who are earning 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh per month as well, and their primary source income is job or maybe something else, but at like side by side they are doing also the side hustle thing, and they are earning this much amount of money. So the very first side hustle that I want you to let you know is the freelancing. Now freelancing is really a broad term. I already have created a lot of videos on this, but the only thing that I am again and again telling you is that freelancing is such a way, is such a thing that you can definitely start even if you are a let's say beginner, even if you are a working professional. Even if you want to start your business into this freelancing domain itself, then this is the great skill or the great thing that you can start into 2024. Now what all things do you need to start a freelancing journey? Just the one thing, the skill. Even if you don't have any skill, then start learning, start upskilling yourself. Because see, and yes, there is one more thing, doesn't matter which skill you have, even if you know writing, even if you know graphic designing, even if you know website development, or let's say architectural design, or any skill you take, social media management, there are a lot of skills that you can definitely go for. But it doesn't, and it see most of you think I need to learn some high end skills, maybe expert level skills. No, that's not the case. No one is expert into their skill. Yes, few people are, but the only motive or the masses that I'm trying to portray is have a skill. Even if you know writing, you can start your freelancing journey into the writing, content writing domain itself, right? So just have a skill, just learn few skills that are actually profitable. I already have created a video on some profitable niches or how you can start your freelancing journey, right? You can definitely go and watch this video. I'll just give that link over here. So just go and watch this video completely. And into the freelancing, you just need to build a portfolio. You just need to have some projects. Now you would be like, how do I build a project, or how do I build a portfolio even if I want to get the clients, right? So just try to get some beta clients, work for free. Let's say if you are a website developer, right? So try to build a website for them for free so that you can just take the testimonial, and on top of that you can build a website. But freelancing is such a way where you can definitely earn a lot of money. The only thing that will help you is having a strong personal brand and great online presence. Now you don't have to create some great online presence on all the platforms. You can go, but try to stick to only 1 to 2 platforms where you are more comfortable with. I'm more comfortable with the LinkedIn and the Instagram, or let's say the YouTube. That's the reason I'm creating some videos, I'm building my brand, I'm trying to help people, right? And if you are the one who I would say is not that much comfortable with the video part, recording the video, then LinkedIn is the best platform for you. So try to go onto the LinkedIn, optimize your profile, create it from scratch, and then start building a personal brand. From there itself you will get a lot of leads if you are following the right strategies, right? Now moving ahead, the second most important and the top side hustle that you can go for is the drop shipping. I know there are you might not be aware about this skill, or even there are a lot of people who are aware about this skill. See, drop shipping, I think when I was in college back in I would say 2018, 19 or 20, I even learned a lot of things about the drop shipping. I was thinking to start the complete domain or start the drop shipping as well. I tried a lot of things, but see, there is one factor which is called as the interest, right? So I didn't get that much interest at that point in time, but yeah, I got to know about the dropshipping completely. There are a lot of things that how do you need to build a store, how you need to build some stores and some sell online stuff. So this is nothing but the dropshipping. Basically, simply dropshipping is nothing but you just pick a product, right? and on top of that product you just build online store and you sell that product in terms of the regions, in terms of the specific territories, you can say. Let's say there is a product called as let's say back cover or mobile cover, right? You just sell it with the higher price into Indian market or in any country, and you get a commission on top of that, right? Same like that, there is one more term I'll tell you into the further video, right? But there is one more term which is similar to this only, but there are a lot of people who are like starting their own e-commerce stores, which is nothing but the drop shipping stores, and they are just selling their stuff. Even they don't build that stuff, they just resell that stuff, and on top of that they get the commission. And you can't even imagine how much you can earn using just a drop shipping, right? Not in India itself, because when you go overseas into abroad countries, people are only into the drop shipping, and there are a lot of people who are millionaires. They have B into the DAC, which is billionaires as well, right? In India it is kind of a new, I won't say completely new. There are a lot of people as well who are doing the drop shipping as well in India, but it is a booming field. If you want to go, just go learn the drop shipping part. You will find a lot of YouTube videos onto the YouTube itself, so just try to learn it and upskill yourself into this domain itself. Now moving ahead, the third important side hustle, I'm sure most of you are not aware about this skill, even it might be you as well, right? Which is the UGC content creator. Now what does it mean? UGC is nothing but the user generated content, and you can be a UGC creator as well. See, this is completely a new field kind of thing, but you might be aware about this thing. Just the term is different, but the work that you would be doing is kind of interesting work, right? So user generated content creator is nothing but, let's say, if you know, I'm pretty sure unboxing you know, right? So let's say what you will do, you will just build a brand, or even if you don't have any audience, you can start approaching the companies as well. So UGC creator is nothing but you will unbox the stuff, you will create an experience video on top of that product, and just try to share your testimonials as well, just by shooting the video and then sending it out to the respective company or onto your social media platform. It's just an unboxing kind of thing, right? You might be aware about the lot of creators who are onto the Instagram right now as well. They are just trying to unbox the clothing, shoe, or let's say shirt, t-shirts, and they are just trying to experience it. You will find a lot of such creators as well, and this content is nothing but the UGC creator or the UGC content, right? And it is really great. You don't have to buy some stuff at the beginning itself. You can buy the stuff, but once you build some audience, once you build a personal brand onto the social media platforms, you can definitely approach these companies. And there are a lot of companies as well. You just need to type onto the Google key UGC companies or anything else, like let's say Myntra is there, Flipkart is there, and some small scale startups as well. You just need to approach them that saying ki, hey, hi, I just found ki you have this new product coming in, I would like to review it and share it onto my social media platforms, or I would like to create a video and then share the testimonial itself, right? But the one thing is key, which will actually matters, if you have the great audience, even if you have 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 followers onto the YouTube, Instagram, on the platforms where you can share the videos, then it would be great for you, because brands will reach out to you just to like give you the sponsorship or maybe the product, and you just have to create that video and you can keep that product itself, right? This is really cool. So you just need to know how to shoot how to record the product, how to create the testimonial, how to build a great B-roll, something like that, which will look good. And then you just need to send this testimonial video to the respective company, or you can also share it onto your profile or social media platforms as well. And you can earn a lot of money. Even you will get the free stuff, free product to try, and also they will pay you just to as a sponsorship deals, right? So UGC is the new booming field right now. You can start creating it as well. Instagram is the best platform where you can go for the same. Now moving ahead, the fourth important side hustle is the videography. I know most of you would be thinking, yaar, this is nothing, like videography is the really small term, but that's not the case, because videography is really a big umbrella. Under that you will find a lot of small umbrellas, or maybe the links that you can go for, because videography is on top, right? After that you can choose a specific niche. There are a lot of creators and the videographers as well who are specifically into only wedding niche, only short form content creators, and they are only trying to record, or they are only stick to a niche only, specific macro niche as well, or you can say micro niche. They are only trying to do a videography for the weddings, for the corporate events, for the birthday parties, for let's say for the short form content creators as well, who are only shooting or recording 30 seconds, 1 minute of content, right? So there are a lot of terms and also a lot of small niches as well, where you can go for the videography itself, and you can charge high ticket price as well. Because if you are just doing the generic videography for all the niches, then you can't charge high price or high ticket price, because just because you are not showing you as an expert into a particular domain. So if you want to earn a lot of money into the videography itself, try to stick to a niche, and then for the same itself try to do a videography as well. Now moving ahead, the fifth important skill, which is related to the fourth skill itself, which is video editing. But this video editing is not the generic one, as I told you for the fourth skill. If you are a generic videographer, you can't earn a lot of money, and same thing goes with the video editing as well. If you are going with the generic video editing for all the niches, for all the categories, then you can't charge high ticket price. The only reason because you are not showing you as an expert into that domain. So if you want to charge good amount of money, 5,000, 10,000 as well, just to edit the one video, I know like there are a lot of people who are charging this much amount of money just to edit one video, one reel, because they are showing as an expert into that domain itself. So try to choose any short form content. Video editing, you will approach the health coaches. Like even if you have a good statement, like you will be like, you would edit the short form content reels or 30-second reels only for the content creators, only for the tech content creators, only for the fitness content creators, then you can charge a lot of money. Just you need to build a brand, you need to know how to approach the clients, how to approach the prospect, and how to get the leads on LinkedIn or on let's say Instagram as well, right? And you can't even imagine how much money you can earn into this domain. 10 years, 12 years, 15 years old kid are right now earning a lot of money just by doing the video editing. So you can definitely go for that, but before that try to create some great online presence and have a strong LinkedIn profile, because it will actually help you to get the leads, and you should know how to do a lead generation strategies as well. If you need to know about that, just drop me a comment and I'll create a separate video on top of that. I hope you found this video helpful, because I thought ki there are a lot of people, even you as well, who is looking for a side hustle, maybe some part-times, or maybe how to start a freelancing, which are the skills, which are the domains that you can go for to start your own journey, right? So these are the best side hustles that you can go for and earn a lot of money. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like to this video, and if you found this helpful, also share this video with your friends as well, so that they can also get to know about these such top 5 side hustle skills or the jobs as well. And also, if you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that red color subscribe button right now, and also hit that bell icon, so that whenever I will post a new video, you will get the notification. So thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in the next video.